We didn't just wave these detectors over soda cans, we took them to beaches, parks, and muddy fields. Whether you're chasing coins, relics, or just the thrill of the beep, these 5 metal detectors actually deliver. Let's dig in. Don't let the price fool you. The Simplex Ultra punches way above its weight. We tested it in wet sand, rocky trails, and even shallow water, and it held up beautifully. The carbon fiber shaft is lightweight and durable, and the 11-inch coil gives solid depth for coins and relics. It's perfect for beginners or casual hunters who want waterproof reliability and decent target separation. The interface is clean, and the audio feedback is surprisingly accurate for its price range. Hit the description for product links and best prices. This is the detector that proves you don't need to spend big to dig deep. If metal detectors had IQ scores, the MANTICORE would be a genius. With multi-IQ plus technology, it scans multiple frequencies simultaneously, meaning it doesn't just find metal. It identifies it with eerie precision. We tested it in mineral-heavy soil and wet sand, and it filtered out junk like a pro. The advanced target ID system is spot on, and the waterproof build makes it perfect for riverbanks and rainy hunts. It's ideal for serious treasure hunters who want top-tier performance and don't mind investing in the best. The 11-inch double D coil gives great depth and coverage, and the interface is surprisingly intuitive. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the detector that turns weekend hunts into serious finds. If you want speed, accuracy, and versatility, the XP Deus 2 is your go-to. We used it in dense woods and open fields, and its fast multi-frequency tech locked onto targets faster than anything else we tested. The 11-inch FMF coil is lightweight but powerful, and the MI6 pinpointer included is a game-changer for narrowing down finds. It's waterproof up to 60 feet, making it one of the best for underwater exploration. The ergonomics are excellent, and the wireless setup means no tangled cords while you're chasing signals. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the detector that keeps up with your pace and your passion. The Vanquish 540 is like the Swiss Army knife of metal detectors. We tested it across 4 different environments: beach, park, forest, and backyard, and it adapted beautifully. The multi-frequency tech and iron bias feature helped us avoid junk and zero in on coins and jewelry. The V12 coil gives great coverage, and the included wired headphones and rain cover are thoughtful touches. It's ideal for intermediate users who want versatility without complexity. The pinpointing mode is accurate, and the build feels solid without being heavy. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the detector that's ready for wherever your hunt takes you. Made in the USA and built like a tank, the AC400 is a favorite for a reason. We used it in trash-heavy areas, and it handled iron discrimination like a champ. The digital target ID and iron audio features helped us avoid bottle caps and focus on real finds. It's not waterproof, but for dry land hunts, it's a reliable workhorse. It's perfect for hobbyists who want a proven detector with solid features and great build quality. The included headphones and search coil cover are nice bonuses. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the detector that's been earning trust for years. We didn't just test these detectors, we hunted with them. From high-end tech to budget-friendly finds, these 5 models offer something for every kind of treasure hunter. Whether you're scanning beaches, forests, or your own backyard, there's a detector here that fits your style. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll reply with what we actually experienced. And if you want more gear tested the way it should be, hit that subscribe button. Check the description for product links, best prices, and more gear we've actually tested.